guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm so excited because I am going to be sharing with you guys some products that I received. I did go ahead and sign up with Grove Collaborative. You guys have seen a lot of YouTubers here that promote Grove products, and so I have to say, I thought, let me give them a try. And guys, it's totally, you can get a full set of cleaners. You can pick out whatever you want for free on your first order. So it was like a no-brainer to me. You could just get everything for free up to a certain dollar point, of course. But so yeah, I was like, okay, let me give them a try. And so I did, and I was so excited for the items that I received that I went ahead and placed another order. And so this is the order that I'm going to share with you guys, because these are seasonal items that you can get right now and you can get them for free. So I will have my promotion code in the description box down below so that you guys can receive your free, I think it's a four-piece gift set that you can get for free. So I will have the information in my description box down below. You can click on that. It will take you directly to the Grove site, and then you sign up, and it will indicate that you're new signing up, and then you'll be able to pick out the items that you want. They'll make some suggestions for you, but you can always change out those suggestions and take what you like. That's what I did. Okay, so now let's get into it. These are the seasonal items that I ordered after my first order, because I placed my first order back in July, I think. Yeah, and so I had intended on doing a unboxing at that time, but you know, we started getting ready for fall, and so many things were going on. But I just recently received my package here of my seasonal items that I purchased, and so that's why I wanted to be sure to share that with you guys so that you can get these if you want them. These are like the most popular items for the fall. And so yeah, so I'm gonna start first. I got the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider. This is a multi-surface everyday cleaner. And so I've seen a lot of people talking about this one, and a lot of people have said that apple cider is their favorite. And so I want to see for myself. Oh, it's really nice. It's so ironic that it really truly does smell like apple cider. And I'm not a fan of the drink apple cider. Like, I will have some, like, at least once during the season. But it smells really pretty, so it's nice to create like your own potpourri. And I will do a video on that also if you guys are interested. So leave me comments down below to let me know if you're interested in seeing how I'll make homemade potpourri. Now, back to this cleaner. It smells so delicious. It smells yummy. It smells, like I said, like apple cider drink. So I'm excited to try this out. So I got the multi-purpose everyday cleaner. And then I also got the hand soap, the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. And this is in the apple cider fragrance also. Smells just like the cleaner. So this will probably go at my kitchen sink because I have my little pumpkin in my guest bathroom. So yeah. And then let me see, where's the other? This is the dish soap. So the apple cider dish soap. So yeah, the hand soap and the dish soap will go at my kitchen sink, and then the cleaner will probably go under the kitchen sink. But yeah, so I have these three in the apple cider fragrance. Smells so pretty. Like, this is gonna make cleaning fun. You guys know I really don't like to clean up, but I still have not found a housekeeper, so I gotta do what I gotta do. And so, okay, that's that set. And then I have the same exact items in the pumpkin scent. So this is the hand soap, the pumpkin scent hand soap. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh. Ooh, that smells really good. That smells totally like pumpkins. Kind of smells like pumpkin spice. Let me do it again. It smells so pretty. This smells so good, so good. So I have that hand soap, the dish soap. Let's see. So this one, the fragrance is not as strong as it is in the hand soap and the dish soap, but I do smell it. So I'm probably going to use the pumpkin scent for the fall, and then I'll use the apple cider scent at Christmas time, because for me, when I think apple cider, I know you can think of it as the fall of the year, but I usually would have it in the winter months or at Christmas time. I can remember my grandmother would make it when we were kids, and so we always had it when it was close to Christmas with fruitcake, which ugh, I do not like fruitcake anymore. But as a kid, I guess I did because she gave it to us. But oh yeah, this smells totally like pumpkins. Yeah, it smells really, really good. And so I'll definitely be using this for the fall to clean. And also, I got a couple of bonus gifts. I think this candle was a bonus, but it's the limited edition soy candle in the fragrance pumpkin scent. Ooh, that's very fragrant. Oh my goodness, like it's really very fragrant. It says it burns for 25 hours. And I'm looking to see how many ounces is it. 4.9 ounce candle. And there's 25 hours burn time in this candle. And it is a soy candle. So if you guys are interested in that, then that's soy candle. And pumpkin scent, it's limited edition. It smells very fragrant. So I can imagine this is gonna have a lot of throw, like it'll probably permeate throughout your room because it smells really nice. It's very scented. And then as a free gift, I got this blood orange hand sanitizer gel. And so I picked out the fragrance blood orange because, you know, we're fall time, so I just wanted to see what it smells like. So, oh. It's funny because it kind of smells like alcohol, like drinking alcohol, not rubbing. So it smells like orange alcohol. So, but let's see, I'll try to use this if I can open it. And then see how it smells on my hand. So I just put a little squirt out there. Okay. Once I put it on my hands, I smell more of the orange, and then I guess it's like orange sanitizer, what it smells like. So yeah, that's nice. So those are all of my Grove products. Again, if you guys would like to get your hands on this yourself for free, then be sure to check out my link down below. Click on it, sign up. And when I say sign up, I mean enter in your information. You have to put in your email to create like an account, and then you choose the items that you want. Be sure to choose the pumpkin or the apple cider. They're going like hotcakes, like literally. So hopefully you guys can get it. If not, then some of the other fragrances smell nice. Like the first order that I put in, I got lemon verbena, and it smells really pretty also. And I've heard others say that radish smells good. I haven't smelled that one for myself, but yeah. So be sure, even if you can't get the seasonal items, you can choose any other fragrances or items that you want for free. So now we're moving on to, so my sister, my niece, had a fundraiser for her school. And so, you know, they go around with a little booklet saying, can you buy something for me to support the school? And so this time, my niece's school is all like high tech. And so they had it online. So my sister had them send me an email so that I can go online and order some things for her school to support them. So, y'all know I went a little bit crazy online because my sister was like, you know, the more items you buy, the more items be on sale, then she can get a prize or something. So, y'all know I'm a little bit competitive. So, when it comes to winning something, if I can, I'm like, okay. So, I don't know if she won or not because I think it's still going on, but I placed my order and my items came in. So I'm just opening the box here. This is from a company called Charleston Wrap. And so I'm sure you could probably buy from them at any time of the year, but they're the company that did the drive for the school. So it says, simply the highest quality gift wrap in fundraising. So they specialize in gift wrap. Y'all know I didn't buy any gift wrap. I have like a closet section full of gift wrap that I purchased like after the season. So I didn't need any more gift wrap. And so I bought something else that I want to share with you guys. So first I'm going to start with, oh, let me say I'm a little bit upset right off the bat because this is how this is in here in the box. You can see it's already open. When I looked in there, it's like this. So I don't like that. That makes me unhappy. But let me put this box down so that I can see. Make sure these items aren't broken. So, sorry about that. Well, I ordered 6 of these little miniature cast iron skillets. And so, I thought they were so cute. Uh-oh, did I move you guys? I hope I didn't push you guys back. So, this is the little miniature cast iron skillet, and it says it's already been prepared, so it'll be ready to cook with already. And so I thought these were so super cute, and I think they were like 2 for $15. I think that's a little bit pricey, but you know, it's a fundraiser, and so I just said, okay, fine, I'll get them because I thought they were really nice. And on the back is by a company called Piatto. That's how you say it, Piatto. And so, super cute little cast iron skillets. It's like bigger than the palm of my hand. But so, this will be cute for to make like little mini quiches in, or like a little miniature cornbread, or a miniature macaroni. So many ideas. So I got 6 of these, and when you purchase the cookware, they also gave you access to recipes, and so I printed off like 6 different recipes that I could do using these little skillets. So be sure to come back because you guys already know I'm gonna be cooking up a storm with my new little skillets. And as we move closer to fall too, I'm gonna be cooking more because while it's hot outside, you know, I don't really like to cook when it's super hot in the summer, but now we're almost to October, so hopefully we will cool off soon. So this is how the box is supposed to be with the 2 in it. And so, yeah, it says cast iron mini skillets, set of 2, and it says create individual servings by Piatto fine cookware. So this is how they were supposed to look in the box. And here's an idea right there. You can see it's like a cookie with ice cream on top. So I'm so excited. Okay, so now what else do we have in here? I got, what did I get? Sorry guys, sorry, I had to bend over, but the box is kind of heavy to hold up here. I'll have to look at that in a second. But what is this? Because again, this box is open. The box came open already, which I might have to write either the company or write a review on their website because I'm not happy that they came already out of the box. What if I wanted to give this as a gift? Then I can't because the box is ruined. So, So I might say, I'm telling you guys, if you choose to shop with this place, then this is the kind of how your things will come. So I'm probably, well, I'm not gonna order from them again anyway because again, this was for the fundraiser, but I'm probably definitely going to not ever order from them again because I don't like this. This is all from the company Piatto, and so I don't know if that's the company that packaged it like this or the distributor or whatever. I don't know. But anyway, this is the cast iron divided skillet. So as you can see here, this skillet is already divided into sections. So you can make like a pecan pie. This is cornbread. And so that's why I got it, because I'm gonna try to make pecan pies. And I like that you can do the cornbread too. And I just thought it was really cool. And I like that it went along with the little mini cast iron skillets. And so that's why I got this. And again, it's supposed to already be ready to use. So as you can see here, this is the size. Let me see if I can find the dimensions. So it says creates 8 individual servings. And let's see here. I don't see the dimensions of it. Okay, here it is. It's a 15 by 8.25. So 15 inches and then 8.25 diameter. So that's a decent size. You can see the size of it. It's pretty good size for a cast iron skillet. Again, these were kind of pricey. I think this was $30, but I wanted it because I really thought it was really cool and nifty. And to me, these were items that I might not necessarily find at the store. I don't know. But anyway, again, this is the Piatto brand. And I really like this, so I'm gonna be using this also to cook some meals this winter, this fall and winter. And then I also got this little set of, this is glass prep and storage bowls with lid. It's a set of 5 glass bowls. And so let's open this up. And let's make sure they're not broken or anything like that. So let's see here. Okay, So I can already tell you these bowls are smaller than I anticipated they would be. I'm looking to see the size. So it says the bowl size is 33 ounces, 19 ounces, 11.3 ounces, 8 ounces, and 4.8 ounces. So, okay, that's not too bad. So, like I said, there's 4 bowls in here with the lids, 5 bowls. It's 5 bowls in here with the lid. Here's the box, so you can see that there. So, I like their glass bowls. And so, I thought this wasn't a bad price. I think these were $13 because I bought 2 glass bowls at Walmart that has, I think they do have lids, I'm not sure, but it was like $7. So for 2, so I felt like $13 for 5 was fair. The 2 that I got from Walmart, they are, one of them is probably a little bit larger than this one and then probably about this size. So anyway, that's why I got this, because I wanted to have some glass bowls and because I wanted to, you know, support my niece in her school. So those are the items that I purchased from the fundraiser. And so now I'm excited to get started cooking and cleaning. So you guys know my husband is really happy about that. He had no problem with me buying cookware or things to cook with. So at any rate, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments down below to let me know which item you like the most. And let me know also, guys, if it kind of irritates you to receive a package that wasn't packaged as nicely as you would like. I know for me, it kind of does irritate me a little bit. And thankfully, nothing was broken because I have purchased items from other stores and I received it broken. So at least these were intact. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you've enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit that notification bell so you will receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. And for my faithful family members, mwah, 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 thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. It truly does mean so much to me, and I will see all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.